Think of your gut as a dynamic ecosystem, constantly adapting to what you eat. On day one of switching to a vegan diet, this ecosystem experiences a sudden shift. The familiar flow of animal proteins and fats slows down, replaced by an influx of fiber-rich foods like lentils, broccoli, beans, and oats. Your gut microbes, tiny organisms that influence digestion, immunity, and even mood, must quickly adjust. In the first 3 days, fiber-loving bacteria begin to multiply. They ferment plant fibers into short-chain fatty acids, which help strengthen your intestinal lining, reduce inflammation, and support immune balance. During this transition, temporary bloating or gas may occur as your microbiome reorganizes itself. By midweek, around days 4 to 6, the beneficial bacteria dominate. This increase in microbial diversity improves nutrient absorption, stabilizes blood sugar, and may even enhance focus and energy levels. Hydration also improves as you consume more water-rich fruits and vegetables, supporting natural detoxification. By day 7, your digestive system feels lighter and more efficient. Bowel movements regulate, and inflammation markers start to drop. The first week of a plant-based diet is more than just dietary change. It's a biological reset that strengthens your gut health, boosts energy, and lays the foundation for long-term wellness.